Statistic date 896. Oh, I forgot to fucking update my whiteboard and do my shit. Oh my gosh, bro. Day 396. Forgot to say my morning prayer this morning, bro. How did I forget that shit? So, I'll just read it off real quick. I gotta update this shit, bro. I'm just fucking lazy as shit, bro. Bright scars, do not good executions. It's a Saturday. Gym, work review, I could have done better. Did something productive. Gotta do something productive today, boys. Night reset, journal, pray. Okay, I'll come later. Street, okay, consistency over intensity, long-term direction, flow consistency, that province, and strengthen the relationship with the Lord. Yeah, doom scroll for more than 60 minutes per day. Create the higher high, overextended conditions, late entries after draws are taken, choppy condition. Does the market have enough fuel to get here? That's the questions we're gonna ask ourselves today on this backtesting session. We're gonna become profitable, make this August 2024 profitable. All right, let's get into it. Let's get get some music going. Fuck is that? Let me turn this shit up a little bit. Sound. Checklist. Let's get in. Let's get it. So, charts low-key back and forth. Obviously, we're a bit more bullish and bearish just because of the recovery we're seeing on the hourly. Yeah, kind of consolidation here. No high time for SMTs, I don't believe. And I think we're trading higher here. Let's get some manipulation, and then we can continue higher. So, opposites. Wow, real opposites. Fuck! Hourly high. Asia high, and then there might be another high, but I don't give a fuck. Higher time frames align. Clear, I'd say it's not necessarily super clear, but we're trading towards these draws, right? We just got a manipulation. I guess I'll have to wait here, but it looks good for longs. Just because the 1 minutes are aligning. I'll just wait though, because it's not confirmed that we'll go higher. Okay, now that we price in a good high here, I'm pretty convicted in the bullish narrative. Let's see if we can get an entry. So this will be our retracement. And we did inverse this gap. Okay, so just waiting for the 1 minute change. So break of structure right here would be great for longs. There's our break, long that biff. Long that biff. I mean, okay. So NQ, this is not a good break at all. I'll just widen stops a bit in case NQ wants to make an SMT. It sucks because we're like just fucking up our risk reward, but I'd rather be protected than get wicked out, right? And this is ass actually. 0.84. I mean, at least we'll get like a 1-to-1 on this. What? Nah, you're joking though. Like, why don't we deliver there? We got key draws. Wow, I mean, literally predicted what was gonna happen though with this fucking low getting worked out. So, good on that part, but what the fuck? I mean, technically a strategy could say go break even at these like relative equal highs, but I mean, we got high time frame highs relative equal. Why wouldn't I think we deliver there? I still think there's a chance that price wants to deliver higher, but a lot less. Dude, what is going on? A lot less likely now. Okay, so we did end up delivering higher. That's just like master manip there. Crazy manipulation. Great trade though. Wow, dude, that's not valid at all that we didn't deliver. Low-key pissed me off. They're not gonna hold you, boys. Higher time frame's bullish here. I mean, I wouldn't really want to trade shorts. Just see how market opens. SMTF that low. Let's just wait for a little pullback. Wow, no pullbacks. Wow, bro. What? No pullbacks. Still have high time frame highs though, which I'm completely fine trading to on back. Yeah, this looks great. Still, I don't give a fuck that there's a potential bearish SMT, dog. The trend's so bullish here. I doubt we're gonna reverse off that little thing. Okay, well, we might reverse. Wow. No, you guys took the draw. Fuck. Meeting minutes doesn't count as real FOMC. Our time frame's choppy. We'll wait for breakout. Just set this potential bullish SMT towards not great draws. Pretty far away though. Actually, not that far away. I'm here with my friends. That's a long right there, boys. If I've ever seen one. Inverse to the downside, inverse back to the upside after making an SMT. What do I want to trade on though? Dude, I mean, I guess ES because we're closer, but I like how NQ has the relative equal, and on top of that, we could go break even at the hourly high. I'll hammer it on NQ, and then once ES hits it, I'll decide if I want to close or... ES still hasn't hit it. Wow. What the fuck, dude? Holy, what the fuck is this? Why is market so volatile? We literally went from not volatile to volatile. And we made an SMT and got lucky as fuck that NQ wasn't the one to make that. And I said I was gonna go break even here, but since I was convicted in the bullish bias, there was no reason to, because I expected price to deliver through that, especially because ES already took the draw. We got that SMT. That was great. I'm just kind of lucky there. I mean, the fact that price didn't want to deliver right away, also beyond me, because this market's really manipulative. Relative equal high time frame highs above on NQY. That is why I traded on NQ over ES. Said I was going to go break even, but was convicted with my draws, and would have been stupid because that's random hourly high. Had no reason to reverse us because of my higher time frame bullish bias. Lots of manipulation going on in this month. Lucky that NQ wasn't the one to make. Show you what it. This song's ass, dude. That's 9:45 minutes right here. Hopefully we have draws higher. We do. Not great. Kinda far, but if market shows volatility towards those draws, I'm gonna take it. I mean, it actually looks very good to take if we break up to the upside. Kinda accumulating 9:45 minutes. That's probably what it was from. We already got this poke into the hourly gap, so we shouldn't come back into it if we're bullish. I'm still bullish here. I guess any change of order flow on NQ will be a signal there. Okay, nope. Wow. Revisited the hourly gap. We're definitely bearish now, but we're about to take out all our draws. Kinda confusing day because the trend is bullish and market wants to reverse and break while maintaining a I guess we didn't maintain any gap, but we swept out liquidity here on NQ, right? I don't know. I don't know what I'm thinking. My thing was we tapped into the hourly. That should have continued. Pushed us higher. I still feel bullshit. Feel or am? Oh. Let's just see what market wanted to do, dog. So they wanted to dump. Man, I think just entering up here would have been so dumb for a short. Like, this could have been an easy change back to the upside to continue with the trend. You're trading against a trend here. It's not like we just came off of super significant draws. I mean, we're just like pushing higher towards this daily high. I mean, definitely price will want to take this daily high at some point. I guess this is a significant draw. It's just like, when draws happen so long ago, I think they're less, or what I've noticed is that they're less likely to actually show that price wants to make a move off of them. Unless they're like super obvious swing highs, or like an all-time high or something. Same thing as yesterday, but worse because it's choppy. Set the hourly low inside the hourly gap in this equilibrium range. Same thing here, unmitigated hourly here, unmitigated hourly here. 30-minute highs, well, I want to trade up to that. Look, structure, beautiful, retracement. 5-minute SMT, let's just get the 1-minute confirmation. I mean, I'll use this timer on ES because I'm not too worried about breaking on NQ just because the SMTs use this confirmation. First take profit and then we'll go hourly. Second take profit. Trading on NAS because we're leading on the... trading on NAS because we're leading on the bullish SMT. I mean, I definitely would prefer to deliver here. Yeah, I mean, I have to take profits here. That's not a no draw.
Hey, do you have a safe for our password?
I'm logged in though, I don't know what the password is.
Can you go on your app? Can I
Not right
really
now.
quick? I need to pay a bill.
I can't do it right now. Completely neglected 10 a.m. news. What? Oh, it's Friday. I mean, dude, I would have taken this shit regardless. It's Powell speaking. That usually doesn't do that much. Got lucky as fuck, I guess. We delivered to the gap. That's exactly what I wanted. I mean, we took the setup, got kind of lucky with this news. Does price want to continue higher? Yes, so correct buys, correct everything. It wasn't just because of Powell, right? So, yeah, it's a bit lucky. But again, I would have taken that shit just because Powell doesn't usually speak right at 10 and fucking make it unless it's FOMC. Got kind of lucky that Powell said something bullish, but higher time frame bias was correct and followed strategy. U8. Yeah, I mean, it's kind of 2 lucky trades in a row. I don't feel very accomplished. What was the other day that I traded? I don't even know. Was it lucky? I'm going back. Oh, that wasn't fucking lucky. We just pumped randomly. Oh, we got lucky off that SMT. Doesn't matter. Just the fact that we're making this massive bearish SMT. Somehow get a reversal. Still have other draws lower. Let's see if we want to flood down. I have to see. This is chop. This is chop. Got the break though. We still have the draws intact on the S, so that's completely fine for it to trade on NQ. We just gotta see a big pullback here. That's not enough of a pullback against this. Hell no. And we dumped towards all of our draws. So I knew exactly where market wanted to go. Just again, roughed it. Market's doing a bunch of bullshit again. Swimmer confidence, 18, 10. Okay, I mean, we do have one 4-hour low left. Aligns with this daily gap. Okay, we got the break to the upside. This is a very pivotal zone because we are bearish. I guess we didn't validate that SMT, so... okay, this is the one and only chance to come down and change order flow. Okay, we're bullish. Why? Because we subbed out super extremely high time frame draws. We're reversing. We changed 5-minute order flow. We're about to change a 5-minute order flow. Let's get a retracement towards our draws. Just wait for price to inverse this to upside. Because this break isn't super confident. This retracement's kind of small, but we do have the draws intact, so whatever index provides an entry is the index I'm trading on, because both of them look pretty good. Just wait for ES to change. Inverse there, dude. This just looks past. I think we could retrace deeper. Retrace. Ugh. Okay. Frankly, we'll just wait for a break to the upside because we have this SMT now. Why are we chopping, bro? Come on, NQ. Oh my gosh, of course ES is the one to pump now. This is bullshit. Worries me that we took so long to do that shit, but because that lowers confidence. Still followed the checklist, just a little choppy. Okay. Okay. I mean, can't complain about that. Can't complain about that. That's the only thing that was wrong about that setup. Only thing that was slightly off that did not make this a plus was the markets took a while to deliver the break after the S&T, but it ended up playing out just fine. Whoa, dude, that's some fucking insane lighting, though. That's the fucking thumbnail. Can't contain my jealousies. Yeah, swept that low. I mean, to me, we're bullish. Price and relative equalize. We have a potential bearish S&T. Did we reverse on the hourly? We did. We could go either way. We could go either way. I'm favoring longs though right now, just because of what the 5 minute's telling me. Okay. Let's see if we reverse here on the 5. Actually, we're already in bearish on the 5. Yeah, the fact that we didn't break there. If we invalidate the S&T on the S, so okay, now we're bearish for sure. Ah, don't take them. Don't take them right away, please. Because, fuck, dude, like, I would take this shit. Actually, I'm going to take this shit. Dude, it sucks, because stop loss placement is fucking way less than ideal. Or I can hammer this shit in on ES. The reason I want to enter on NQ is that we have the SMT. Do I think we're not going to nah, we have to take all these lows. There's no way we wouldn't take all those lows. Can widen stops a bit just in case you want to wick out the highs again. I'll just take it for a 1-to-1. It's just the fact that we didn't change order flow to the upside on NQ, but we got confirmation on ES, so a little bit less than A+, but yeah, there we go. So I could have actually put stops at the high here. Following the strategy and winning feels so good, bro. Got 1 minute confirmation when S&T set up on ES, traded on NQ because it was leading to the downside. Widen stops a bit to keep the position protected in case price wanted to move higher and wick out the 5 minute highs. Because NQ did not have a fully protected stop because we got the confirmation to the downside on ES. fully protected stop at the 1 minute high. Let me explain to you what I'm saying there. I'm saying we didn't have a protected stop at this 1 minute high because price never changed order flow to the upside, so we can't just break to the downside. And we didn't close below this low after filling a 1 minute gap, so we would have missed the entry, if that makes sense. That's why I just chose to put stops at like a 1-to-1, just above here, because ES could have inversed and then came up, worked out these highs, and by then NQ should not come up to here. NQ is leading to the downside. I don't know, not a fully A+ setup, but you know, it worked. Right? Followed the strat. Just traded on the other index. Followed the strat to a T if we entered on ES, but I'm not gonna enter on ES because we're leading on NQ. And we saw that ES actually didn't deliver to the draws. Straight pumper. This looks good for longs. Look down market open. Let's just wait for 1 minute confirmation. 1 minute confirmation, bang. This is like, what news do we have today? 10 a.m. It's like orange folder though, it doesn't really count. Equal highs, relative equal. Yeah, 2 take profits here. This is straight trend trade SMT. This is the most obvious shit I've ever seen in my life. Fucking banger to a T, top tick bitch ass pussy. Oh. This lighting is fucking ridiculous, bro. Journalists. A possible on his head top SMT 5 minutes align, 5 minute SMT 1 minute confirmation, 5 minutes fill on the leading, which was NQ strong draws above. Here. Blue bands, blue bands, blue bands, blue bands. Last day of August. We go hide away in daylight. We go undercover with the sun. Got our secrets out in plain sight. I don't like this shit, so I'm not gonna trade it. What is this chop work? Can be one. We broke to the downside, wicked out these 5 minute lows, made an SMT off that, have one draw above, and yes, like 30 minute high, 15, and we have this high. Potential, how far away are we? Pretty far. 15 points actually is not far at all. I mean, I'm favoring same 15 minute high, bunch of relative equal on 15 minutes. I don't know, longs look juicy, but we'll just wait. would I take this though? Immediate reversal off of. Let's see. I just don't like how the hourly time frame isn't completely solidified. So I guess we have an SMT here that I didn't notice. And then we got an SMT off market open lows. We're in bullish on ES, about to be bullish on NQ. Longing it. Taking it for a 0.7. Whatever. ES still has a strong draws above. SMT immediate change. Higher time frame is bullish. This follows a checklist. Why am I tweaking? Stopped at break even. I don't even give a fuck. That's a great month. Let's see if we would have delivered fully to the draw. Nope. All good though. We found a checklist though. I was tweaking just because this fucking pre-market price action was so, or London session price action was dick. But after seeing that we had that SMT, we got another SMT, and then we saw 1 minute confirmation on both. All we looking for is love in the middle night. We'll go 4 stars. Not super, no, confidence will lower. Not super confident just because London session moved completely sideways. Took a poor RR, but got a high time frame and low time frame. SMT inside of a higher time frame bullish trend with 1 minute confirmation on both indexes. Straight green. I fucking love this game. Oh, sorry. Alright, boys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.